In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect QuickBooks and Melio. Connecting Melio with QuickBooks Online helps keep your bills and payments organized in one place. Once the sync is set up, you can reduce manual entry and make it easier to keep your accounting records up to date. I will walk you through the connection process from inside your Melio account, and I will also point out a few details that help avoid common setup issues. First, sign in to your Melio account. Make sure you are signing in to the correct workspace if your login has access to more than one business. It is best to do this on a stable internet connection, since you will be redirected to Intuit during the connection. After you are logged in, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click Settings, which is the gear icon. This is where Melio stores your configuration options, including integrations. Inside Settings, find the option that says Sync with Accounting Software. Click it and then select QuickBooks Online from the available choices. This tells Melio which accounting platform you want to connect and prepares the authorization flow. Next, click Connect to QuickBooks. At this point, a QuickBooks or Intuit login window will appear. Log into your Intuit account that has access to the QuickBooks Online company you want to sync with. Take your time here and double-check that you are using the correct Intuit account, especially if you manage more than one client or company file. Once you are signed in, you will be asked to select the specific company. Choose the correct company from the list, then click Next, and then click Connect. This grants Melio permission to sync data with that QuickBooks Online company. If you see any permission prompts, allow access so the sync can complete properly. To finish, Melio will ask you to select your default accounts payable and your bank account. Choose the accounts you want Melio to use for posting and tracking payables and payments. These defaults are important because they control where transactions land in QuickBooks and how they are categorized. After selecting them, complete the setup to finalize the sync. Once that is done, your QuickBooks Online and Melio connection is active, and you are ready to start syncing. And that is all there is to it.